Why does everyone think I'm lying? Get away, liar. Yeah, get away. You offended Angelina. Yeah, you should just go away. Hey, they shouldn't be bullying her like that. Stop. Everyone stop bullying her. You don't know what really happened. Maybe Michael's lying. You don't even know. Oh my God, Michael's lying. I'm not lying. She lied. See, look. That's what it feels. You shouldn't just say that. You probably know it wasn't real. Yeah, I didn't try to do this. You know what? Move. Woo! She kicked Michael. Perfect. That's so cool. Now she has to be the most popular girl. Yeah, Ellie. No. Everyone, I'm the most popular girl. I'm this queen. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Angelina. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Ellie. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Pearl. Da-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na. The counselor. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Jacob. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Louis. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Michael. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Abby. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Michaela. Da-na-na-na-na-na. And also all the friends. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Remember, I'm the queen of this summer camp. Now I'm the most popular. Michael, we're not your friend. She did this to me. Ugh. Oh my God, she's so awesome. Stop it. Remember, I'm the queen. Not her. Why would we believe you? You're Michael's girlfriend. Yeah, let's go. Come on over here. Yeah, you're so awesome. Yeah, you're so awesome. I want to be your best friend. I knew this was all turned out to be good. You did this to me. I'll get back at you. No. Yes. I can get back at